Deep in the heart of the Karakum Desert, a mysterious and fiery phenomenon has been burning for over 5 decades, known as the Door to Hell. This extraordinary crater has been ablaze since 1971, captivating both locals and visitors alike. The Darvaza gas crater, as it's officially known, is located in Turkmenistan, a country tucked away in Central Asia. But how did this hellish inferno come to be? Let's dive into the story. In 1971, Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas in the region when their rig accidentally collapsed into a vast underground cavern. To prevent the release of harmful methane gas into the atmosphere, they decided to set the crater on fire, thinking it would burn out in a few weeks. But weeks turned into years, and the fire raged on. And today, it still burns, a constant reminder of the powerful forces of nature and human error. This flaming pit, with temperatures soaring above 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, has become a tourist attraction, drawing curious travelers from all over the world who come to witness the mesmerizing glow of the eternal flames. While it may seem like something out of a science fiction film, the Darvaza crater is very real, and its story is far from over. The fire continues to burn, a symbol of both nature's power and human ingenuity. Or, perhaps, our mistakes the door to hell, a place where fire and earth meet, and where time stands still in a desert wasteland. Will the flames ever extinguish? Only time will tell. Subscribers maybe.